Hi all and welcome to this new Crypto Bros video.
And another one.
On this occasion presenting JUNI Jackpot Universe, which has been audited by solid proof, as we can check in this smart contract audit report, and shows zero issues. Liquidity has been locked for 1 year and there are multiple anti-rug features built on the contract, so it's somehow quite safe. The team has also been doxed by the same company, and our beloved Albino Reno is responsible for the marketing of this project, so somehow we see massive potential on it. Let's analyze this recent project. You can find all the links related to this video down below it, and remember that we don't give any financial advice, so please do your own researches always before investing on this project or other. Well, what is JUNI Jackpot Universe? Essentially, with the new upgrades, JUNI will offer a spotlight jackpot to be announced soon, and the important jackpot right now is the gold jackpot, which runs every 2 hours. Here is the final countdown. Here is the total amount, and right now it's zero because it has started a couple of minutes ago, and we just need to set here the amount of gold tickets that we want to enter, and then here there are the redeem tokens, the total tokens, and the total users. So we just need to approve the operation, and that's all. Every 0.1 VNV worth of JUNI tokens purchased grants 1 gold ticket. This is
One! The money is mine. I have the money is mine.
And as for the tokenomics, with the recent upgrades, they've been changed, so now there is only a 4% both when buying and selling. 2% goes to the gold jackpot, 1% goes to marketing, and another 1% goes to the team. Now let's explain how to buy these tickets. Well, we've got 2 options. We can buy directly here just by entering the amount of tickets that we want to buy and then approving the transaction. Since this project is built on the Binance Smart Chain, first of all, it is very important that we connect our MetaMask or our wallet connect in the VSC network so we can trade with these JUNI tokens. We can also buy JUNI tokens by clicking this change button, so we are redirected to the Pancake Swap platform, which is probably quite familiar to all of us. Once here we are, it is very easy. First, we must import the token by clicking I understand, and then this import button. And then we just need to have some VNVs that we can previously buy in platforms such as Binance, or for instance, and with these VNVs, we just have to swap them to the native JUNI tokens that are imported here. Finally, we must approve the transaction, and that's all pretty easy. It is important to adjust the slit page here in this tool button. So remember that now there is 4% when buying and selling, so we need to set at least this percentage in order to trade, but sometimes we need to increase it a little bit more, 1 or even 2 points. By the way, we'd really recommend you to join their Telegram channel just by clicking this button, where apart from keeping us updated with all the latest news and updates, you can find, for instance, the game Roll the Dice to win the prize offered in every round. We just have to connect our wallet, remember, in the Binance Smart Chain, and then set the bid, type in bid plus the amount that we want to bet, bearing in mind that the minimum bid is 100 JUNI tokens and the maximum is 5,000 JUNI tokens, and we must hold at least 10 tokens in our wallet. And finally, we must approve the transaction. It is very simple, but we can find a tutorial fix in the main chat, or otherwise we can scroll down a little bit and we can find some links to a small tutorial on YouTube. And on top of that, there are new competitions, such as, if we keep on scrolling down, this one where the biggest buyer will receive 100 gold tickets. to the biggest buyer, I repeat, and it ends in this case at 6:30 p.m. Here they remember that there are new taxes, only 4%, both when trading, buying or selling, and there are more competitions to come. Back in the main site, we can also see these different tags, the Telegram, join them, the chart, the stake with more pools to come soon, and this referral system that I want to point out is it's quite innovative and simple. Essentially, to refer a new player, we just need to send one token to his or her personal wallet, simply connecting our wallet, remember, in the Binance Smart Chain, and entering the wallet address here that we want to refer, and then pressing this button, refer this address. So if the new wallet, for instance, buys at least 0.1 BNB worth of uni tokens, the referrer gets one gold ticket, always that we hold, if we are the referrer, at least $1,000 worth in uni tokens. This is very important to take into account. And if we've got $5,000 in tokens or more than $10,000, we will receive extra gold tickets that we can claim here in this button. And to end up with, we would like to point out that the whole team, we know them very well, is very committed to bringing this project to its absolute peak, and this concept is absolutely unique.
If I were in the market to buy one of these, I would get this one first.
So the changes and further additions to the powerful ecosystem will only continue to prove the determination and versatility of the team, which is quite a rare find in today's crypto world. They had more than 1,300 VMBs fair launch raised in a really dot market. And this versatile protocol was designed exactly for these situations and allows the team to be flexible and make adjustments on the fly without affecting the project's safety or function of free trade, such as those features that we have mentioned above. So we can wait to see what it can offer us in the future, which is sure to be a lot. And remember, don't forget to like, subscribe our channel and their channels, comment this video, and see you in the next one. Thanks.
Bye. See you when I see you. Goodbye.